So it's already recording? Yeah, here. Okay, my first video. Today I'll be playing Subway Surfers.
Hello.
And I'm gonna try to beat my high score. Right
Hello.
now, I am doing Nina. Okay. 2 token boxes. Nice. Okay,
Hello.
and go. My best friend is right here with me.
I go eat. Subscribe to his channel. You don't know me.
My old account, I had a really high score. I once got the jackpot for my cousin, but sadly, she wasted it on a trashy character. Sad, just sad.
Yzma.
Huh?
Yzma.
Yeah.
Use my. Hey guys.
Oh wait. Oh, I was like, where's my library pass? Okay, put our stuff here. Right now I'm at school. Over here. Sorry for the hold up. Oh. Okay. Let's play. Okay. I'm almost close. One time I got a high score so big that it got me to the top of the United States. I had to play so much that I had to accidentally kill myself.
I guess I'm here too.
Yeah, we're best friends here. Maybe I'll start doing vlogs. I don't know, just for you guys. Maybe.
Nani?
Boom, another mystery box.
Eat.
Ah, dang it. It's close. You know what? I'm skip this mission. I want to keep on going. I want to go faster so I can beat my high score.
You're
Faster.
not sponsored.
I know.
See how to Blake Black screen ad.
Yeah. I don't like those ads.
The Wi-Fi here sucks.
It does. Right now we're at school, guys, and
More specifically in the library.
yeah. The Wi-Fi here sucks, so don't mind us. Yes. Bump into 30 streets. Pick up 40, get caught. Okay, this is cool. Okay. Should be easy. Yes. Super sneakers.
We're gonna play hockey today in PE.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
If you guys haven't found out yet, I'm reacting guys eat.
Subscribe to it. I'll put the link in the description.
If you can.
I
Kind of
know.
play on mobile right now.
Yeah.
More specifically my phone.
Yeah. It's hard to put the link, but yeah. Oof, that was a close one.
Since like I have to go home, like edit some stuff.
Yeah. No! How? Oh, well, I hit the jackpot. You know what? I'm gonna show my sister of my gameplay. This is cool. She's gonna be like, wow, that's sad. Ah, dang it. Just gonna use it.
Don't waste our keys.
Okay, then I'll use videos. Actually, that's good.
This is we need the keys for that one board.
Yeah. Yeah, we're saving up for that Pixel Heart board, guys.
This for my game expo.
Yeah. San Francisco.
Do you know it's in San Francisco?
Huh?
How do you know if it's in San Francisco or not?
Because we're in San Francisco right now.
We're not.
Yeah, we're in Subway Surfers.
Oh.
Right now we're in Las Vegas, but yeah. In Subway Surfers, yeah. The update's San Francisco.
Money, 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 money. Do, 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 do. 26 times.
Ooh. Oh, that was hard. That almost got me.
Screen ad.
Man, I hate these ads. Black screen ads. Man, they suck.
Oh, we'll be uploading my logo really soon.
Yeah.
I think I might upload tomorrow.
Yeah. Almost done. Man, I hate these ads. And it's done. Boom. Yeah. Sucks for you, police guy. Yeah, poor dude.
Yes,
He only wants to abide the law.
he has to follow the child around.
Yeah.
The most part.
He's gonna take me to jail if I don't try to win this. He's gonna take me to jail.
Doing vlogs?
A while. Don't know. Should I do some vlogs? Put your comments down below. Want to see if you guys would love vlogs.
I bet like most of the content here is going to be like for 8-year-olds.
Right? But though, if you want vlogs, put your comments down below. I don't know if I should, but yeah. You guys decide. I'm gonna let my viewers decide.
I happen to have a GoPro.
Really?
Mhm.
Wow.
So that can help with the vlogs.
Really?
If I ever feel like bringing it to school.
Yeah. Whoa, nice. And we're done with our score. Nice.
We just moved up in the wings.
Yep.
Yabs.
Well, like I said, the Wi-Fi here sucks, so like,
I'm surprised this game even running.
yeah.
I'm the one who gave him the idea of his channel.
Yeah. I mean, I made his channel, but I mean, for some reason it got deleted. Like,
Your mom probably did.
no, it didn't.
They probably accidentally clicked that button.
No.
No, I'm talking about that button which makes a channel stop working.
Oh, really?
If you guys wondering why I mostly use mobile instead of computers, because I'm making my gaming computer.
Only my sister has a computer. I mean, I want a computer, but oh shoot. Anyway, we completed our high score.
Mimi. Jackpot. Come on.
Fresh. Come on. Not fresh.
Jackpot. Come on.
200 coins. Nice. Ooh, another one.
Jackpot.
Nah.
Wiki.
Boom. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Whoa.
Nice.
What's this?
Nothing. Like I said, Wi-Fi sucks.
I think that'll be the end of this video.
Yeah. Okay, this is the end of this video, okay, guys?
Like and subscribe to this channel.
Yes, like and subscribe, okay? Thank you,
Bye-bye.
and bye.